Hello, my beautiful 4C crew. It's your girl Alma, and I'm me, your one and only. Now wait, ain't somebody missing like Lydia? Yeah, she is. She out. Okay. Now, this is just me being quirky, but you don't have to do this. I braided a thin parting of my hair to add some bangs, but you'll see that later. Now we're getting properly busy. Get you 1 or 2 packs of synthetic black braiding hair, but because my hair is thick, I bought 2 packs. And this is the bit that helps stretch my hair while my dreads are in. But first we're going to moisturize our hair, so meet my team, which is Cantu cream, black castor oil, yes, Shea Butter, water and aloe vera. This is the aloe vera juice that I use. And lastly but not least, my thin comb. I love this comb. My hair is freshly washed, so make sure to do that first. Now I'm parting my hair, and I'm not too bothered with the partings being too neat because my roots just grow too quickly and they molt together, so hey ho! This is what the braiding hair looks like. It costs about 99p. So now, with sharp scissors, I'm going to match up the 2 ends of the hair and then cut it in the middle so that my braids are even. Make sure you guys really do have sharp scissors. Before I braid my hair, I'm going to spray it with water first. And I'm going to spray quite a bit because my hair is not going to be out for a while, so it's important that it's deeply moist. Secondly, I'm going to add about 2 fingertips of Cantu cream to keep my hair smelling good, girl. A new addition is black castor oil. Thank God for this. You know, sometimes you can moisture your hair and the next day it's dry, but adding castor oil really helps a lot to keep it feeling fluffy and soft like you want it. Now just add a drop of this to your hair and spread it everywhere, and you'll see what I mean by this. Lastly, add shea butter to seal in the moisture. Take a really thin piece of hair to start with. Now I part my hair in 3 pieces, twist the 2 ends, and begin to braid. Now, I do warn you, please do not braid your hair so tight, guys, because I'm sure you will want a good night's sleep. At least I'd hope so. And can I just say, it's important to know the length that your braids will be in and make sure they're equal, because last time my dreads were just in different awkward places. It was kind of like, I don't know, I couldn't decide if I wanted to be Rapunzel or Mulan, so yeah, that's why. That's just a tip though. But you can do whatever you want, love. Do whatever. Y'all have to excuse my fashion, but I'm just showing you the length it's going to be, which is to my waistline. I personally don't do many partings in my hair. I do about 25 or 33 partings because if you think about it, it's going to be a lot of work, and that's a mighty lot of hair to take out. And I kind of like the thickness. I just think it suits my face better. But this is just me. So if you want to do more than 33, girl, I totally salute you. Just teach me. Just help me out. I can't do it. Now that y'all have saw me braid my hair, you just do it all around. take some breaks. I do advise you, it is tiring. Finally, my hair is braided and looking blessed. Let me just give y'all a little bit of a show and tell what it looks like. Now get Marley hair, the number 27. If you want the same color as me, it's important to get this number. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I bought another type of braiding hair, which is silky, because as you can see, the Marley hair looks a bit ginger, but this just gives it a nice blonde highlight. And my explanation for all of these packs of hair, listen, is because my hair is going to be made thick and long. So that's not crazy at all. Leave me alone. Don't judge me. But if you are having it shorter, I would suggest you to get about 7 to 10 packs. Here I'm taking a thin strand of hair to blend in with my dreads. I do separate the Marley hair just to make my locks appear extra frizzy and natural. Okay, so now, taking one braid, place the hair above your root and start wrapping the top of your hair about 4 times. And once you've done that, just continue the wrapping process. And as you're wrapping, make sure to pull the hair up while it's wrapped, just to make sure it's secured. Now, this hair does take me about 3 hours when I'm focused, but when I'm not, it takes about 5. So make sure if you want to do this hairstyle that you have some free time and you want to stay in the house for about 2 days, because it takes full concentration. But do feel free to entertain yourself. Watch cool things like SpongeBob, or Adventure Time, or the movie I'm in with Brad Pitt, or the music video I'm in with Chris Brown, But that's just some suggestions. I'm not bragging or anything. Please don't say that. Don't. Anyway, another thing to add, when I finish wrapping my hair, I just tie it at the bottom because I'm going to dip it with hot water anyway, so I can just cut off the small strands. I choose the hot water method because I just got the creeps of firing my ends. I just feel like it's going to rise up my dreads and just take me away. I can't do it. Last thing I do, I add some bangin' bangs. This curly piece is from the silky hair, and to get it this curly, I just wrap it in some curlers and leave it in some hot boiling water until the water goes warm. Then I let it dry. Simple. To crochet the bangs, make sure to open up the leash, gently slide it through under the thin braid, and once that is through, hoop on the hair onto the hook. Close the leash and pull it back slowly, just in case the whole piece of hair doesn't slide out. Once this is through, tie it about 2 times just to keep it extra secured. And that's it really, just continue the process. Alright, now we coming through. The very last thing to do is to dip it in hot water. Get somebody to do it. It is quite relaxing and you don't want to burn yourself. Now do go over your hair with some scissors because there may be some pieces of hair sticking out, especially the silky hair. And if you ever notice your hair not looking too shiny or fresh after a month or 2, just dip it again in hot water and you'll be on fleek again. Hope this all made sense and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, DM me on my gram or just comment below. Thank you. Bye.